All right, our image is completely dry. It dries really fast on here. So let's glue the card together. So I did already trim it down, so it will have an even mat around it. It's just going to end up being bigger than the sample card. And then this guy here. And because I've trimmed it down more, there's not enough, or there's not a lot of just the plain black, so this is going to end up going over the image, but that's fine. You could put it up as high as you want it. I'm just trying to make an even, an even amount of the black around each edge here. And same as before, you could pop this up if you want. I'm just gluing it flat, but you could absolutely pop it up if you want. So there you go. Exactly the same image painted in the same colors, but different colored mats, and it just shows you how different colors around it bring out different things within the image. And then I definitely like this a lot better. I find you can read it a lot easier than this one here where I painted it the green color. So there you go, 3 different ways to do watercolor florals.